Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this I-cord. I made a spiral cord before and share it with you. You can see it here now. And now I will make this one. That's the thinner. You can use it for your bags or your shirts or for home decor. You can use it anywhere you want. And it's not too hard to make. Just need a little practice and you can make it easily. I will use this yarn, Kartopu macrame. You can use any kind of yarn. I will use this one because it's easy to use and show you where I make the stitch. You can use cotton or any kind of yarn. And I will use 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's start. I will start with the slip knots. And chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we will start like a Tunisian crochet. Insert my hook into that second chain, yarn over and pull it through. Insert my hook into the third chain, yarn over and pull it through. I have 3 loops on my hook now. I will skip these 2 stitches and start to make slip stitches from this loop, this first one. How I will make this? I will leave these 2 loops and if you want, you can hold them like that, okay? And hold the yarn, yarn over and pull it through from first loop. Leave the second loop and take it on the hook again. Yarn over and pull it through. And insert your hook into that third loop. Yarn over, pull it through. Okay? I want to show you how I made this. I will leave these 2 loops and put my finger here like that. Okay, just take this yarn and pull it. Take the other loop, yarn over and pull it through, and into the third loop, yarn over, pull it through. At first, it will be a little hard, but just keep trying, okay? And the second one, pull it through, and take the third one, yarn over and pull it through. You see, it's look like this right now. It doesn't seem good, but it will. Okay, keep making. Leave that 2. That's first, second, and third. Leave 2 again. First, second, third. Okay, just keep making like that, you'll see. And when you complete it and want to bind off, How will you make it? It's so easy actually. Just yarn over and pull it through from all 3 loops. And you can make a chain and cut the yarn. And that's easy, as you see. And that's all. I hope you like it. If you like, please share it with me too. You can write comments. You can reach me on my Instagram address. It's To Crochet. And you can push the like button if you want. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And that's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.